My name's Jonathan Hume. I'm the Senior Manager, Terminal Operations and Employment Industrial Relations for the company, and I've been at Ports of Auckland in varying roles for about 20 years. My main mandate, if you like, is to deliver the best service possible at the container terminal as a whole.
So my name is Matt Knight. I'm an operational performance coach, and I've been at the Ports of Auckland for over 10 years now. So my main responsibility is to train new straddles, crane operators. Also the objective is to make them the best stevedores that they can be.
We employ around about 320 people.
So we have 40 straddles, 5 cranes. We work 24/7, 365 days of the year. So prior to simulation, the trainers had to take a fresh recruit and take them out into these huge machines. It would put pressure on them from day one. They had no idea what to expect.
It meant that they weren't getting the time in the seat they needed to bring them up to a level to get them going.
So we looked at CM Lab's product, found it to be world class. Graphics were amazing, so we started opening the dialogue with CM Labs and found that they were a good company to work with.
I found CM Labs to be incredibly responsive to what we asked for and delivered what we believe is a great product at the end of the day. The visuals and the accuracy was just outstanding.
Simulation has changed the way we train at the Ports of Auckland. It's enabled us to train to a safer level, particularly in the early stages of training. They can be nervous, they can do unexpected manoeuvres in a machine, and in simulation that's fine. In the real world that could end in a catastrophe. Our new trainees would be, to an operational standard, approximately 1/3 quicker than if they'd not been in the simulator.
We're not investing as many hours. The training cost and time to a crane driver has come down.
Everything is recordable in the simulator, which is fantastic. And show them the reports at the end of each drive, show them where their improvements are.
And with that, the trainers were able to sit down with me and highlight areas where I needed to improve at, or areas that they felt that needed more attention.
Trainees respond well to simulation training at the start. It puts them in a relaxed atmosphere. They come out of the simulator with a level of knowledge and skill that enables them to be almost operational straight away.
Exposed me to the layouts of the ship, the different decks, how the containers may be set out and how to operate around them. Yeah, it really helped me.
Based on safety initially, and also how it saves time in the long term, I believe all port industry training should be done through simulation at the start.
We now have a relationship which we will continue to build with CM Labs and look at other products that can help us with training long term.
I would definitely recommend CM Labs. I don't think there's any better company in the world to simulate in the port industry.
We made the right decision in purchasing it, and I believe that it's certainly helped improve the operation overall.